I'm the GOAT. Yan ang pabirong sinabi ni Lebron mga idol matapos siyang trash talkin ni Bryce James. Grabe yung kulitan na mag-ama. Isiniwalat ni Draymond Green kung ano ang sinabi sa kanya ni Steph matapos silang ilaglag ng Sacramento. Sa IG story ng anak ni LeBron James na si Bryce James ay kitang nagbanding pa ang dalawa bago ang Game 1 ng Lakers at Denver Nuggets. Lakas nga man trash talk ng anak ni LeBron mga idol. Sabihan ba naman ng basura ang kanyang tatay? Ayon, pinakitaan tuloy ng sunod-sunod na shooting ni LBJ. Nothing but the net, sabay sabi na I'm the GOAT. GOAT, greatest of all time.
Bro, you trash.
We make trash.
You trash. That's a lucky shot.
Man, lucky shot.
That's a lucky shot. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. I'll shoot it with one hand.
How's it trash?
You suck, bro.
All drawn.
You suck.
I suck. Wow.
You bro, all right, bet. Watch this. Hey, this with my left hand too.
You're not making that with your weak ass left.
I'm not. Get it out the net.
I ain't not going a year, literally.
It's not going in. I don't know.
Why are you acting like that? Like you doing? This is what I do,
Bro.
This is when I go.
This is one left hand, bro.
I'm GOAT, bro.
Bro.
GOAT. What are you talking about? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, man. This is what I do, man.
All right, give me.
Napakamot na lang ng ulo si Bryce James ng pakitaan ng shooting ni LeBron. Pumakita din ng mala LeBron na mid-range etong si Bryce James. Kitang-kita mga idol na parang batang LeBron talaga gumalaw etong si Bryce. Kuwang-kuwa niya yung turnaround fadeaway ng kanyang tatay. Nasa home court na ng Denver ang LA Lakers. May mga prediction ng ilan sa mga sikat na analyst. Ayon kay Skip Bayless, Lakers in 6 daw mga idol. Makakuha pa daw ng Lakers ang Game 1. Well, abangan na lang natin yan bukas mga idol. Mapunta naman tayo sa Golden State kung saan nagsalita na si Draymond Green sa kanyang podcast. After ng kanilang pagkatalo sa Kings, eto daw ang sinabi sa kanya ni Steph, "We ain't done."
It's like I love you too, we ain't done.
Ibig sabihin mga idol, gusto pa din ni Steph makasama si Green next season sa Warriors. Although pagdating kay Klay ay hindi na tayo sigurado mga idol, ikukunin pa din siya ng Golden State. Umuugong na nga na ang Dallas Mavericks ang posibleng pinaka-interesado to market kay Klay Thompson. Malalaman natin yan mga idol sa susunod na NBA season.
Man, I'm right on you.
He's worried about making the shot.
Yeah, worry about making the shot. You talking point five what? That was too much rim, champ. Yeah, you count that. That's too much rim.
Count down.
Huh?
Hold on. Give me the ball.